children, how are you in this lockdown? I hope that you are preparing many dishes at home. You are helping your mother, is it? You have tried for many recipes, I think. So, I too want to give something special for you. So, this is a banana stem, isn't? So, we are going to make something special with this, shall we? So you have to remove these all layers until you get a tube-like structure inside. You see, this is the thing that we are going to use for curries. You can make so many dishes with this one.
Okay, we are going to prepare a banana stem pickle. So the ingredients needed: banana stem, salt, and we need turmeric and also chili powder, garlic needed. We need ginger and curry leaf. We need mustard and we should need fenugreek. It should be powdered. Just heat it and powder it. Next, we need asafoetida. Actually, we will get it in the market. Asafoetida powder will be always better. And oil, you have sesame oil, it will be better for you. You can use any oil, no problem, but it will be better to use sesame oil. Okay, and we can have vinegar for having the sour taste and also for preserving it. Okay, when you are cleaning the garlic, have a cut in the middle. It will be easy for you to clean it. Otherwise, it will be taking much time for you. So do like that. Okay, I just want to make 150 gram of pickles. So this much piece is sufficient. A 30 centimeter, 30 to 40 centimeter piece is sufficient for making that. And we need 20 pieces of 20 cloves of garlics and a half-inch piece of ginger also we need. We have to make it into two parts, half for grinding and half for chopped pieces for frying. And we need fenugreek. Actually fenugreek should be fried and after that it should be powdered. That only we have to use. Okay, fenugreek you can use actually half teaspoon and mustard you can have half no half teaspoon also no need, 1/4 teaspoon will be sufficient. Actually in Indian tradition it's our custom to use mustard for mostly all the curries. After heating the oil we will put mustard and get it sputter. And curry leaf we have to use one leaf and chili powder. We are using only little bit of pickle we are making, that is why 2 spoon you can use and half spoon of turmeric you can use and salt how much is needed that much. And yeah, asafoetida also you can use 1/4 spoon and oil you can use more, you can use 6 or 7 spoons of oil because the pickle won't get spoiled. And coming to vinegar, it is better to use 7 to 8 spoons of vinegar. Slicing of banana stem is little bit different because when we are slicing we'll get a lot of fiber, so that fiber should be removed. Actually we are taking the banana stem for the fiber. The main purpose is for that one only because we won't get constipation. And also banana stem contains a lot of potassium and excess of calcium from the urinary system will be flushed out and we won't get a kidney stone. And banana stem is also known to prevent urinary tract infections. Okay, then what about washing my kids? You have to wash all the vegetables before cutting only, and this banana stem actually no need to wash also. Okay, see how I am slicing it. So when I slice it, you have to remove the fiber with your index finger. See how am I removing it with the index finger? All the excess fiber is removing like that. Okay. See In this way we have to chop it. So you have to make this as a part of your menu, because banana stem is that much useful, that much health benefits are there. So at least weekly once you have to take it. Okay, after cutting down, again we have to make it into 4 pieces. Let us cut it into small pieces. We have to always wash the vegetables before cutting, that you should remember, otherwise vitamins will be missed. And this banana stem actually no need of washing also. You have seen how I have taken the stem, that tube like structure out of the stem after removing all the layers. Okay, when the pan is heated, we have to pour oil. We can pour 7 spoons of oil into it. When the oil is heated, when it gets heated, you have to put 1/4 spoon of mustard, and it will get a splutter. So in Indian system, it's a tradition for us to use mustard like this, and also having health benefits also. And now you have to use the chopped ginger and garlic. When it get brown color, we have to use that chopped banana stem and mix it thoroughly for 1 minute. Okay, after getting it thoroughly mixed, you can also put the ginger garlic paste. Again mix it thoroughly for 1 minute. Now 2 spoons of chili powder, then half spoon of turmeric, and half spoon of fenugreek powder. Next, salt, how much is needed, that much salt. Next, curry leaves. This all we have to mix it thoroughly. After mixing it thoroughly for 2 minutes, we have to pour vinegar. Use 8 spoons of vinegar, because we are not using any other liquid. So for having the gravy, we must have vinegar here. So after that, already heated oil or 2 spoons, that you can pour above it. So pour over that one and put off the stove. This everything you have to do in low flame only. Okay, so the pickle will be ready. And after that, when it is cooled, you can pack it in bottle. Okay, after getting it, you have to keep it for cooling now. Mix thoroughly and keep it for cooling. It will be very delicious, and also having good, it's very good for health also. Okay, now remove into the, it's cooled already, so take it into the bottle. When you are keeping in the bottle, you must be very careful, should be airtight. You must pack thoroughly inside, otherwise air will go into that one and it will be spoiled. So now you can keep in refrigerator, and you can use it for 1 month or 2 months, it will be there. Okay, delicious pickle is ready.
Have you seen how to make the banana pickle? Okay, you should also try different types of recipes. If someone asks you what's your favorite dish, you'll be having a lot of things in your list, is it? But if someone asks you how to make that, or what are the materials for making that one, and what's the source of that materials, you won't be able to say. But now onwards, you should know it. You ask your mom, get the knowledge of all the items, and also learn how to make all the things. If you want to make a boiled rice, we should use rice and water. We get rice from plant and water from nature. So what's the source of rice? It's a plant. So this boiled rice means we need only two items, two materials. The materials which is needed for making a dish is known as ingredients. That is ingredient. So what all materials are needed, that one is called as the ingredients. So for boiled rice, what are the ingredients needed? Rice and water. So cooking oil is an ingredient for many curries, isn't it? So where do we get cooking oil? Different types of oils are there. Sunflower oil, coconut oil, groundnut oil, sesame oil. In today's people we have used sesame oil. So different types of oil. This oil we get from the plants. Okay. Suppose when we are coming to ghee, that we get from animals. So here honey. Where do we get honey from? We get honey from honeybee. Is it? So honeybee. So that means it's an animal product. Like the turmeric, it's a plant product. The source of turmeric is plant. Then salt. Where do we get salt? Actually salt we get from sea, isn't it? From sea water. But nowadays what salt we are using, like Tata salt, is an iodized salt. That is not, it is not from seawater. Actually that is a byproduct of industry. It's a meat or animal products, and sugar, peanuts, carrot and all plant products. So when you see an item, if an ingredient is given to you, you must be able to say that whether it is an animal product or is it a plant product. Okay, we get so many things from plants, like some of the roots of the plants we eat, then leaves we eat. Suppose coming to spinach, we eat the leaf, is it? And stem we use, and seeds we use. Different parts of the plants are edible. Eatable means edible. And some plants give us more than two things. Two or more than two things. Some gives only. Suppose if it is a vegetable plant, which its leaves we are using, it gives only the leaf. But some leafy vegetables like mustard, it gives us the seed, mustard seed, as well as its leaves also we use for preparing curries. So, but the way, even though there are different products we are having, the way we prepare is different. Different people prepare the food in different ways. So, always we should know the methods how your mom is cooking the food. And the method of preparing different foods are also different. Some of the foods we are preparing by boiling. Suppose you take rice. How rice will be prepared? By boiling, is it? Potatoes, we have to boil it. But when we are coming to Italy's, what we will do? We will steam it. Before steaming, we have to keep Italy batter for fermentation. Is it? So fermentation is needed. After fermentation will steam it and prepare idlis. So roasted, if chicken and all will take roasted and will be eaten. And coming to fish, we have to deep fry it. Different methods are there. So boiling, steaming, fermentation, roasted, deep frying, all are different methods for cooking. And also you should know about preservation of food. Okay, it should be preserved. Some items like pickles and dried fishes, meat, some of the items, some food items will be preserved. Commonly you know about pickles, how mom will preserve the pickle by using more salt in it. If you are keeping more salt in that one, it will be stored for many days. It will be preserved for many days. So salting is a process. Okay, salting is a process for preserving. And also today when we made banana pickle, we used vinegar, isn't it? So why we used vinegar? We used vinegar for getting sour taste as well as for preserving it. Okay, do you know what is vinegar? It is acetic acid. It is an acid. Acetic acid. It's having sour taste. Actually, acids are having sour taste, isn't it? Acetic acid, the formula is CH3COOH. You will be learning this in your higher classes. Okay, so next we can keep by drying. Okay, dried items will be there. You will be seeing that your mom will be preserving some of the items by drying it. Then by keeping in airtight containers. Airtight containers. So salting, drying, airtight containers, and all are methods of preservation. And you know that pickles, not pickles, chips are made. In the chips packets, there will be a gas in that one. That's why you see that the packet is so much big. There will be so many things. So many chips will be inside, you may be thinking, but when you open that one, you see that chips number is very less, gas was inside more. Okay, which gas is used inside, do you know? That is nitrogen gas. Why nitrogen gas is used inside that packet? In order to preserve that chips.